Hi guys, welcome to an academy. So this is our channel 11 CBSE Commerce Quest. So the reason why we call it Quest is because in this channel we're going to be discussing questions and answers. Yes, so all our lessons are going to be patterned in the question and answer format. So all your subjects including English we are going to discuss in question and answer format in the 11 CBSE Commerce Quest channel. A quick introduction about myself. So I am Reeti Spandana. I have done my BTech from Instrumentation and Control Engineering. I have 9 years plus experience in teaching English and I am a faculty member in Hyderabad. So what you're going to get in this subscription of this channel is daily live classes. सो ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि डेली लाइव क्लासेस आपको एक रियल टाइम क्लासरूम एक्सपीरियंस देता है. सो ये एक लाइव क्लास है, मीनिंग यू कैन सी द फैकल्टी मेंबर टॉक, यू कैन पोस्ट योर क्वेश्चंस इन द कमेंट्स, यू कैन गेट दोज डाउट्स आल्सो क्लैरिफाइड. तो ये जो डेली लाइव क्लासेस है ये आपको एक रियल टाइम क्लासरूम एक्सपीरियंस देगा आपके घर पे बैठे सिर्फ एक अच्छे इंटरनेट कनेक्शन के थ्रू. Then we have live tests and quizzes. So whatever you're learning, in order to check whether you have learned something or you still have to learn, और आपको कौन से एरियाज में हार्ड वर्क करना है और कौन से एरियाज में आप ऑलरेडी अच्छे हो, ये जानने के लिए आपको रहेंगे ये और लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस. सो दिस विल ऑल्सो गिव यू अ रियल टाइम एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ राइटिंग एन एग्जामिनेशन. All your courses are going to be very structured according to your syllabus. So जो भी आपका CBSE का syllabus है 11th standard का, उसी syllabus के basis पे हमारे पूरे courses structure किए जाएंगे. So whatever the course is, it's going to stick to the pattern of your CBSE syllabus and what you're going to get in your examination. Then what is this unlimited access? So this is very important, students. So when you miss a particular daily live session, you don't have to worry about missing out on that topic. You can always attend a recorded session which is your unlimited access sessions. तो ये unlimited access sessions जो है वो अगर आप कोई live session miss करते हो तो आप दोबारा उसी session को recorded session को attend कर सकते हो. And if you have unlimited access, let's say you have an exam 2 days from now, आपको अगर फिर से एक बार brush up करना है वो question answers का session जो हमने किया है, आप वापस उस recorded session में जाकर आप उसको फिर से देख सकते हो. So unlimited access gives you an access to all the sessions later so that you can have a better understanding. So this channel also gives you an opportunity to prepare with top educators, which basically means आपको कोई एक faculty member को choose करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप जितने भी सेशंस अटेंड करोगे, अगर आप अलग अलग फैकल्टी मेंबर्स का भी अटेंड करना चाहते हो, यू कैन डू दैट. सो देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन विच फैकल्टी मेंबर यू क्लास you want to attend. You can attend any faculty members class without any problem. So you can attend let's say my session today, you can attend someone else's session tomorrow. So you have that discretion with you कि आप जो सेशन अटेंड करना चाहो, जो फैकल्टी मेंबर का, वो सेशन आप अटेंड कर सकते हो. कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सिलेबस. सो योर सिलेबस जो भी इस चैनल पे डिस्कस किए जाएंगे क्वेश्चन और आंसर फॉर्मेट में, दैट्स गोइंग टू बी कंप्लीटली रिलेवेंट एंड डेडिकेटेड टू योर CBSE सिलेबस. All you have to do now is just download the Unacademy Learning app. तो ये ऐप आप ऐप स्टोर, गूगल ऐप स्टोर या एप्पल ऐप स्टोर से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. सो द Unacademy लर्निंग ऐप डाउनलोड करने के बाद यू जस्ट हैव टू चूज विच चैनल यू वांट टू सब्सक्राइब टू. In this case, it's 11 CBSE Commerce Quest. Once you choose that particular channel, you just have to subscribe to it. So this is a subscription cost, students. तो आप imagine करो if you are taking up a private tutor, they usually charge anywhere between 10,000 to 15,000 per month. So instead of having to spend so much money, आपके घर बैठे आपके convenience के हिसाब से हम ला रहे हैं ये live classes और recorded sessions, and that is only for rupees 12,500 for 12 months. So 12,500 में आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस टू सेशंस मिल रहा है, आपको कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सिलेबस मिल रहा है, टॉप एजुकेटर्स के साथ आप किसी का भी सेशन अटेंड कर सकते हो, एंड all of this is at your convenience at your home. And if you use my code Reeti, you will have an additional discount of 10% where your cost is coming down to 11,250. Meaning आप मेरा कोड रीति यूज करके अगर सब्सक्रिप्शन अवेल करते हो तो आपका फी हो जाता है 11,250 का. Now let's understand what is this session about. So this session is about answering this question here, which is how to strategize and crack English language and literature exam 2021. So basically we're going to discuss how to strategize and crack the English exam. तो इसमें हम discuss करेंगे English सब्जेक्ट का जो आपके एग्जाम है उसमें पैटर्न क्या रहेगा, उसमें कैसे आपको ज़्यादा नंबर स्कोर करना है और इस चैनल पे हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं. So these are the section wise details of the exam. So basically section A has reading skills. So reading skills में ये होता है कि आपको एक unseen passage दिया जाएगा और उसके basis पे questions पूछे जाएंगे. You have to read the passage, you need to understand the passage and then answer the questions. Second section is your writing skills and grammar. So in your writing skills you will have questions like letter writing, article writing, speech writing, and you have advertisement designing, etc. So ये सब questions रहेंगे आपके writing skills के section में, part of the section. The second part of section B is grammar. So in grammar questions you will be tested on grammar rules. So this particular section here has writing skills and grammar. The third section is your literature textbook and supplementary textbook. तो आपके textbook के lessons के based जो भी questions रहेंगे वो questions आएंगे आपके section C में. तो जो भी questions आपके literature textbook में है, supplementary textbook में है और उसके based जो questions रहेंगे वो आएंगे आपके section C में. Now before we continue with this session, let us just quickly understand what is the usual mindset of students. तो students को usually ऐसा लगता है कि English एक scoring subject नहीं है, English में score नहीं कर सकते हैं marks. Now this channel students is going to help you in changing that mindset. तो हम इस channel के through और इस session और आगे आने वाले sessions के through ये सीखेंगे कि English को एक non-scoring subject से scoring subject कैसे बनाया जा सकता है. I'll give you a small example now. Reading skills, you just have to read the passage and answer questions based on the passage, which means out of these 20 marks, आपके 12 marks जो direct questions से आते हैं वो fixed है. आप सिर्फ वो passage समझेंगे और questions को correctly answer करेंगे तो 12 marks आपके fixed हैं. Grammar is a particular topic which is completely based on rules. तो grammar के rules आप अगर completely thoroughly सीख जाओगे तो grammar part जो 10 marks है out of 30 that also is fixed. Meaning यहाँ पे 22 marks आपके fixed हैं. Now coming to the section C, जो भी आपके 1 mark answers और 1 word answers और multiple choice questions रहेंगे उसके भी marks आपके fixed रहेंगे. Meaning out of 80 marks about 35 marks आपके fixed हैं जो आपके बिना कोई problem के आपको मिल जाएंगे. बाकी marks जो है जो the बाकी rest of the marks that you have that is from your writing skills and from long answer and essay type questions. Now through our sessions we will help you in writing a correct answer. आप किस प्रकार से answers लिखोगे तो आपको उसमें भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा marks आए वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस particular channel में. So the purpose of this channel is to increase your score in English and other subjects. Now let's understand what is a examiner's expectation from a student. आपको क्या क्या चीजें सीखना चाहिए for you to understand these sections and score well in them. So let's start with reading comprehension. Reading comprehension needs you to have the ability to analyze and evaluate an idea. So what do you mean by the word analyze? Analyze का मतलब होता है किसी भी idea के पीछे की reason समझना. तो when I understand the reason behind something, then I am analyzing that situation. तो कोई भी idea को लेकर उसके पीछे का reason समझना analysis होता है. So understanding the analysis or analyzing the ideas of the author. Second point is to draw inferences and conclusions, meaning आपको जो पढ़े हैं उसमें से क्या समझ में आया है. What have you understood from what you have read? That comes under inferences and conclusions. The third point is identifying similarities and contradictions. So kabhi authors, they try to help you understand a particular idea through examples where they are giving similar ideas, and sometimes authors try to give you opposing examples which contradict the given content. So you need to be able to identify the similarities and contradictions in a given content. So what we are going to do is we are going to discuss the RC passage and how to answer the RC passage questions correctly. The second section is writing skills and grammar. तो इसमें आपको creative thinking develop करना पड़ेगा. So what do you mean by creative thinking? Basically how to analyze your own ideas and put them in the correct format. तो correct format में आपके ideas को कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है और आपके रीजंस के लिए किस प्रकार से आपको एग्जाम्पल्स चूज करना है, so that you can score better in your writing skill section. Grammar, we are going to discuss all the rules of grammar which will help you with the fluency of language. तो fluency of language important है grammar questions के लिए और वो आएगा आपका rules सीख के grammar के. Now let's look at the third section. It's literature textbook and supplementary textbook. So this helps you, so basically the expectation here is to comprehend information, recall and present what the author has already said. Meaning जो भी आपके lessons है उसको पढ़ के उस lesson के basis पे जो भी questions पूछे जाएंगे आपको किस प्रकार से answer करना है वो questions को, ये हम लोग देखेंगे section C के basis पे. So in section C the expectation from you is to understand the given lesson and to be able to represent the answers in the examination. ये आपसे expectation है. So in the third section we will be understanding the lessons, we will be able to understand the questions that can possibly come और उनको किस प्रकार से answer करने पे आपका score increase होगा, ये discuss करेंगे हम section C में. So let's quickly understand what we have in each of these sections. So reading comprehension section, section A has two unseen passages. So two unseen passages meaning the probability of you reading that passage previously is very less. So आपने कभी शायद नहीं देखा होगा ये passage को. So there are two unseen passages where one unseen passage is informative or factual passage. So what do you mean by informative or factual? Meaning आपको ऑथर या राइटर सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. सो द ऑथर्स पर्पस इज नॉट टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग बट इट इज टू जस्ट टू गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ फैक्ट्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन. तो इसके बेसिस पे जो क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे वो बहुत डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे क्योंकि पैसेज इटसेल्फ इज एन इंफॉर्मेटिव और फैक्चुअल पैसेज. So the 12 marks in this passage are going to be very easy to obtain. So we are going to discuss a lot of different RC passages on this pattern and we are also going to understand how to remember and not take too much time to answer these questions. क्योंकि जब passage 500 words का हो जाता है तो कभी कभी students का ये problem होता है कि मैं ये सब information को कैसे याद रखूं या हर question पे वापस passage को बार बार कैसे नहीं पढ़ूं, so that you can save your time. So we'll be discussing that in this particular channel. The second question, that second RC passage that you're going to get is an analytical or discursive passage. So the moment you see the word analytical, you understand, as we discussed earlier, it is the reasoning that the author is giving behind whatever the author wants to convey. तो author के ideas और उसके पीछे के reasons एक अच्छे examples के साथ author present करने वाले हैं. So we need to understand that and we need to have the ability to answer the descriptive or essay type questions that come based on this particular RC passage. तो इसमें हमको summary पूछ सकते हैं उस RC passage का. Summary मतलब क्या समझ में आया है in a short form, या evaluation और understanding पूछा जा सकता है. So this passage is going to be something where you need to understand and analyze the given passage in order to answer the questions, which also is very easy with a lot of practice. The second section is writing skills, जहाँ पे आपको first set में internal choice दिया जाएगा writing task के लिए, meaning you will have two questions in one question, you need to choose which one of those two you want to answer. Meaning, let's say this is first question के अंदर ही आपको internal choice रहेगा, meaning two questions रहेंगे और आपको choose करना है कौन सा question आपको answer करना है. So इसमें आपको रहेगा poster और advertisement designing या report writing. You can choose one of these two. Then there's a choice in letter writing, so you'll have two letters that are given. You can choose one of those two letters to write. For example, there could be a letter, write a letter to the corporator of your society requesting for new water connection. There can be another letter which says, write a letter to your principal requesting to change your course in your subjects. So you need to choose one of these two topics for letter writing, and you should be able to write that letter. The third question type is article writing or speech writing or report writing. So this is an essay type question, which means you have more marks that you can score here. So article writing or speech writing also, basically you have a particular topic given. You either have to write an article or a speech based on which question you will choose here. ये 20 marks का आपका writing skills का section है. And the next part is grammar section, which is of 10 marks. So this 10 marks again, students, is very easy to obtain. Grammar में आपको concentrate करना है parts of speech, phrases and clauses, active voice, passive voice, reported speech, statements and questions. So once you are thorough with the rules of parts of speech and phrases and clauses, etc., this particular section becomes extremely easy. ये पूरे के पूरे 10 marks आप score कर सकते हो by just practice and understanding parts of speech and phrases and clauses. Let's move to the next part. Your section C, literature textbook and supplementary textbook, has these three here, out of which two are your textbooks mandatory and one is your elective. So the Woven Words book is an elective that you have, and the supplementary reader, snapshots and a textbook hornbill. The reason why we are discussing this is because in this channel for section C, what we are going to do is we are going to take small extracts from each of the lesson, understand the lesson and look at the possible questions that can come from that lesson, and also we are going to discuss the answers. Meaning आपको question और answer discuss करेंगे या इस channel पे, which will help you in analyzing and understanding किस प्रकार से आपको answer लिखना है exam में to increase your score. So here in section C you have different types of questions. The first one is from poetry. जो आपके lessons में poems होंगे, उन poems के एक extract दिया जाएगा, जिसमें again you have internal choice, meaning there are two extracts, you need to choose one extract out of the two and answer the questions. So this is going to be a 1 mark answer question, meaning ये भी बहुत scoring है, जिसमें आपको बहुत lengthy answers नहीं लिखना, you just have to read the extract, understand it and give the answer in one word. The second one here, the second part is answering 3 questions out of 5 questions. तो इसमें आपको choice है, internal choice नहीं है, इसमें आपको questions में choice है. So 5 questions दिए जाएंगे जिसमें से आपको सिर्फ 3 questions का answer करना है, और ये 3 marks questions है, meaning ये short answer type questions है. इसमें आपको answer लिखना होगा एक 50 to 60 words में. तो we will be discussing different questions that can come from these lessons, जो short answer type questions है, और उसके answers भी हम किस प्रकार से लिखना है 50 to 60 words में हम discuss करेंगे. The next part is you need to answer 2 questions on evaluation and interpretation of prose, poetry or drama from textbooks. So कोई भी एक lesson जो है, उस lesson के basis पे author ने ऐसा क्यों लिखा है, या author इस particular lesson में ये example के through क्या समझाना चाह रहे हैं. So basically questions on this particular question type is on the basis of the intent of the author. So it's not just about the lesson, but it is about why did the author write that lesson, or through that lesson what is the purpose that the author wants to convey. So ये questions जो रहेंगे, ये भी हम हर lesson के जितने possible questions है वो और उसके answers दोनों हम discuss करेंगे इस channel पे. The last question type is again an essay question, जिसमें आपको internal choice है, meaning you again have 2 questions out of which you need to answer only one of them. You need to answer one question with internal choice based on your interpretation, situation और plot from the text. तो ये question type और ये question type पे basic डिफरेंस ये है कि इसमें जो है आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ इवैल्यूएट करके अंडरस्टैंड करके आंसर लिखना है लेसन के बेसिस पे. इसमें आपको एक सिचुएशन या प्लॉट को समझ के उसको समराइज करना होगा. तो यहाँ ये वाले पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में आपको एक प्लॉट या फिर कोई जो भी लेसन रहेगा या जो भी ऑथर का पर्पस रहेगा उसको समझ के उसको समराइज करके लिखना होगा. सो दिस इज अ लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन, दिस इज एन essay answer type question for 8 marks. So even in this question type, through this channel we will understand or we will see how to increase or maximize your score in this particular questions. So the basic idea of this whole channel and what we have discussed today is what are the different sections that you have in your English subject, in your English exam, what are the different question types, कौन से ऐसे क्वेश्चन है जो डायरेक्ट हैं और जिनमें आप जल्दी स्कोर कर सकते हो और ऐसे कौन से क्वेश्चन है जिसमें हम बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिस और क्वेश्चन आंसर के बेसिस पे डिस्कस करके आपकी स्कोर इंक्रीज किया जा सकता है. So this is what we have done, and please subscribe to this channel and use my code REETI for your subscription to get your additional 10% discount. Thank you so much.